Hi everyone. Today I am going to be showing you how to use ClassDojo. This is a tool that I use in my classroom for classroom management and to help with behavior and also to keep classroom behavior data. My intended audience for it would be my students and then their parents as well to discuss that data with them. The purpose of this tool is, like I said, for classroom management and behavior. And I chose it because it's really easy to use, and the kids really love it because you can make goals with them and give them prizes for reaching those goals. Usually I do that at the end of each week. So, to get started, I'm just here at ClassDojo.com, and it's really easy to sign up. You just hit the sign up button, mark teacher, and then fill out the info there and hit sign up. I'm going to go back to this. I already have my account. So here I am logged in on my account. And if I scroll down, you can see where you can keep different classes. So if you're a teacher that sees multiple classes, you can have one for each class. So this is my actual class right here. I'm going to show you how to add a class. So you just click there. You type in the class name. I'm just going to type in tutorial. Oops. There we go. And then you select your grade and you add class. And then it will have you, if your school is in the directory, you have other teachers there, you can actually import students off of that directory. Or if they're not in there yet, you can add them. So if I just wanted to add myself here, and then when you're done, you just click done adding students, and then you can customize your skills. I'm going to go back really quickly and show you when I already have mine set up on this demo class. So this just is a demo class I'm going to show you so that way I can keep my student names confidential. But this is what your screen would look like when you're looking at your class. And the way it works is that if you would like to award a student points for good behavior, you can just click on their name and then whatever you want to. Maybe they're on task, so I'm going to give them a point for that. So you can also go through then and edit. Maybe I want to add something, a different skill on here. You can add your own skills. I'm going to give them teamwork points. And you can change how much you want it to be worth here for how many points you want. And then you save, and then it's on there, and then you can give them that point. You can also give points on things that need work. So some things I have are like off task or talking out of turn. Maybe I want to add a skill for not working with others. And you can leave it at 0 and you don't have to take points away. I know every teacher is different. Some teachers do want those negative points, but I think it's just as effective to have a 0 because they hear that noise when they're given a negative point. So it's really the effect of the sound and understanding that they might be getting a point taken away rather than actually taking points away from them, because you want them to still be able to reach their goals that they're setting. So if I want to give him something off task, he is not working, then it'll give them that sound and they know that then they need to do a better job. So again, giving points, super easy. Then at the end of the week, you're able to view the report. I don't have anybody else on here right now that I gave points to, but I can see what he's received points for and what he's been, if he's taken points away, if you give them those points to take away. And then it's all down here, the negatives and the positives. And you can print that out then and discuss that with the students and set goals for the next week. You can also then send that home to parents for them to view that and talk to their student about that as well. One thing I didn't talk about was you can give whole class points. If I want to give everybody in the class a goal for participating, a point for participating, excuse me, and then they all get a point. You can also come up here And ClassDojo can be used. I don't use it directly as my communication purpose. I have a different tool I use for that, but you can use it for that as well. You can also send messages to specific parents. Maybe you want to update them on how their student is doing for that day. And if they're reaching their goal that you talked to them about, just click get invites and then they can get a code and they can sign up and they can access only their child's information. That's the gist of what this tool is used for. I use it mainly, like I said, for classroom management and behavior data in order to discuss those things with students. As I said, there's lots of other things you can use it as a management or a communication tool as well if that's what you would like to do. It relates to the ISTE 2.B standard because I'm able to use this tool to discuss my students' behavior goals with them, and they can set their own goals and manage their behavior and their learning. It also goes along with the TPK1 standard because it's a way for me to communicate the behavior with my students and parents, whether that it's positive or negative. So I have just really enjoyed it. This was actually my first year using it, and I have just really enjoyed it, and the kids do too. Like I said, they're able to use the dojo points to get dojo dollars and then buy prizes with those dojo dollars. That's all I have. Thank you for watching.